internal and external command. Okay. In Unix, that means very simple guys, built-in command and some external command. That is the meaning of internal and external here. Internal means which is built by default. External, which separately directory will be there for that command, that is for external command. So, the command or a file or program having an independent existence in any of the directories and it is specified by a path is known as external command. So, when you run the command to check that, if that command having any path, that means it is clear that is the external command. Example, we are using ls, right? To know that ls command is internal or external, how to check? For that we have something called as type. Type command, type space ls, enter. You give type ls, it will give you the information like this. Ls is, so what happened? Independent existence with having some path variable, right? We having some path. So if you have something like this, that means it is an external. Type ls not working.
ls working, the type ls is giving this output.
Should work. Check.
This system
Working.
नहीं सर वही दे रहा है.
Same. Type echo, it's not giving. See, for echo I am getting the result. See, when I type echo, for echo I am getting the return. Echo is a shell bulletin. See, for the echo I am not getting any path. That means this is built-in command. This is internal command. I will check for ls why it is not working. Because echo is working, why not? So when you type echo, it will execute as we discussed, right? And that are not stored any separate file, that means it will comes to the internal command, that is built-in command. It's called as built-in command. So if anything you want, try with the help and you will get the information, try with